Hello all my Yaley Recorder friends, this is Mrs. Brown. If you have made it to the 6th song, you are now on the Hans solo level. So we're looking at When the Saints Go Marching In today. It looks like a scary song, it doesn't have to be. Let's look for patterns. I see a pattern right here in the beginning, G, B, C, D, and I see that 3 times. You're going to notice we have two new notes actually today. We have new note C on the 3rd space and new note D on the 4th line. So let's learn how we're going to finger those today. Our new note C is going to be like an A, but we're going to lift our pointer finger to make middle finger down, and thumb, of course, stays down. Then, to play our new high D, we're going to take our thumb off. So the thumb finally gets to come off and our middle finger stays down. So our new note C will sound like this. Now I'm going to lift off the thumb, keep my middle finger down to make that D. If I play too hard with too much air, it's going to sound like that. So if it sounds like that, you're using too much air. Remember, the recorder does not need very much air at all. So let's see what else we have here. Besides some patterns in the beginning, we also have several places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where we get to use something called a tie. A tie is not something that you're going to wear in this song, it's something that holds one note over into another measure. So here's our measure lines. If we see a tie, that means we get to do some quick math in our head. So right here we have a whole note and it's tied to a quarter note. So let's get that pizza out again. Here's our quarter note. We know the magic number is 4 plus a quarter note. That's a quarter of the whole, so we have 4 plus 1. What does that equal? 5. So we're going to have a whole note to a quarter note. That's going to be 5 beats. We have it here, we have it here, and we have it at the end. And we're going to see it a little bit of a different way right here over the word number, where we have a dotted half note plus a regular half note. So a dotted half note is going to be 3. Our half note we know is 2, so 3 plus 2 equals 5. So it's another place where we're going to hold it for 5 beats. All right, we've got lots of different notes in this, and we need to make sure that we're holding them and counting them correctly. So let's go through and let's clap it together. I'm going to tap my legs so I can point and you can see where I am in the music. So ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe. Ta, 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 2, 3, 4, 5. When you have a chance to take a breath in this song, you need to take it. When you see one of those commas, take your breath. You're going to need to hold out some long notes in this, so make sure you take advantage of those opportunities to breathe. All right, now I'm going to play it for you. You're welcome to play along, or you're welcome to just listen. This is When the Saints Go Marching In. Well, Yaley friends, there you go. That's your 6th song. I hope that this video was helpful, and as always, reach out to me if you need any help. See you later.